Mazda CX-50 HEV is officially rolling off the production line and will be unveiled at the Guangzhou Auto Show. Mazda's first domestic gasoline-electric hybrid model is finally coming. On November 3, the Mazda CX-50 Xingye HEV officially rolled off the production line at Changan Mazda's Nanjing factory. The new car uses a 2.5L engine. Engine power combination. It will be equipped with the e-AWD electronic all-wheel drive system for the first time and will be available at the Guangzhou Auto Show in November. In terms of appearance, HEV is basically the same as the fuel version. Adopting Mazda's latest family-style design, the wide-mouth air intake grille and sharp headlights on the front create a sporty visual effect. Additionally, a thick guardrail is used on the underside casing, which adds a wild atmosphere to the entire vehicle. No changes were made to the sides and rear of the new car. The important thing is to add a hybrid logo to the front fender. The body length, width and height are 4,785 mm/1920 mm/1670 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,815 mm. Except for the 32 mm height increase, other data are the same as the fuel version. Additionally, the new car will be available with 17-inch or 19-inch wheels, and the corresponding tire sizes will be 225/65 R17 and 225/55 R19 respectively. In terms of power, the new car will be equipped with a hybrid system consisting of a 2.5L naturally aspirated engine and an electric motor. The maximum power of the engine is 131 kilowatts, 178 horsepower, and according to previous declaration information, it is known that the 2.5L engine is codenamed E-25D and produced by GAC Toyota.